a day of a dog reported by Sammy. Today we will be talking about my dog Charlie. He is mainly active and sometimes lazy. He is really smart and can understand some words. These words are walk, treat, and shower. He would usually only get one walk, but since the pandemic, he is now getting 2 walks each day. He is not a whippet, but he can still run really fast. He can tell that there's a squeaky toy on the floor. Charlie had a brother, but his brother was bossing him around all the time. He was really mean, his brother, which is why he got kicked out. Hey, Charlie! This monkey right now is Charlie's top favorite toy. Charlie only has 3 teeth. Charlie can clean up messes when something's spilled on the floor. Thank you for watching Sammy's weekly news report. Life in a day of a dog.